Hello everybody, this is Brian back with a Filecoin update. We're having a correction today. We're down 9.3% as I make this video. We had a high of today of $6.45 and we are currently at $5.70. So we pulled back a little bit, totally normal in the crypto market. Everything's having a correction today. We'll dig in a little bit deeper here and see what's going on here. In the lower time frames, I got a really great article here for you. XRP and Filecoin begin to explore AI support from the top players: Fetch AI, Averac AI, and SingularityNet. So that's definitely your top players in the AI game there. And XRP and Filecoin, two huge companies here. So this is pretty big news. It says with the rise of AI and consequently AI crypto, the integration of AI solutions in blockchain ecosystems is becoming more popular. Recently, two major players in the market, XRP and Filecoin, have begun to explore AI support from top players such as Fetch, Averac, and SingularityNet. Huge. I cover SingularityNet and Fetch a lot. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I cover probably 10 to 15 different coins because not everybody holds one crypto, and I like to talk about more than one crypto. Got some really great people in the channel, and really positive, great people. To be honest, I don't know if I would still be doing this if it wasn't for that. It takes a lot to put all these videos together, believe it or not. It takes a lot of time out of my day, but the good folks I've had join in have made it much pretty enjoyable. So I'm going to continue doing it, and come be part of it, please. Would love to have you. Going to give away 100 ADA next week, last day of the month. So all you have to do to be entered is be a subscriber. That's it. So hit that button, please. It says here, XRP is a crypto developed by Ripple. It was created to facilitate fast and secure payment transactions. It's the native cryptocurrency of the XRP ledger. What is Filecoin? Filecoin is a decentralized storage platform that allows users to store, retrieve, secure, and manage data. That's massive. Storage is everything with our phones, with our computers, now with the crypto industry. Big move by Filecoin. I knew this thing was a winner as soon as it came out. XRP and Filecoin AI crypto support. XRP and Filecoin are both exploring the integration of AI to enhance their capabilities. By partnering with AI providers, these ecosystems can improve their transaction speeds, security, and overall efficiency. Then it goes through what Fetch is. Fetch is a great, nothing but good things to say about them and Singularity. Not real familiar with Averac. It says Averac AI is a new decentralized AI platform focused on providing personalized AI services to individuals and businesses. It uses advanced algorithms to provide solutions that are tailored to each user's needs. For example, Averac Write includes plagiarism detecting APIs that correct and edit texts according to the user's specific requests, as seen below. I'm not going to go through all that. We're here for the Filecoin, but if you want to read this article, pretty good article, pretty huge news. Crypto reporter. Get a lot of good articles from them. So if you want to go check that out, go right ahead. The crypto bubbles for the day, not a whole lot of green out there. A lot of red, a lot of everything's kind of correcting, so no big deal. We have that up down up down. That's how the charts go. Market cap is at $1,218,000,000,000. We're still up 0.72% with the market cap today. Volume over the 24 hours is down 6.5%. Bitcoin dominance is rising. It's up 1.88%, and we are at a 66 in greed. We were at a 64 yesterday. Your biggest gainers and biggest losers are here on the board. Got some pretty decent pullbacks there for some of these coins, and Bitcoin's your number one trending coin on the left there. That's good to see. That's the one that brings all the money to this game. So need Bitcoin doing well. Let's get into Filecoin here. Okay, we pointed out earlier we had this golden cross form. Okay, this is Filecoin on the daily chart. We had this golden cross form after we had this right after this massive pump. We had that golden cross come out. Okay, now these two have been pulling apart, which is fine, but we need to get above this 50 and get above that thing, so we're not trapped in between these two moving averages. That's the number one thing here. Okay, if we zoom in here on the 4-hour, we broke this trend that we had. We had a 4-hour trend line going in here. Okay, we started this thing March 11th, and it's been respecting that trend line ever since. We've busted through that trend line now. That's just a, it was just giving us an idea if this trend was still valid, which now it's broke, so this trend line is no good anymore. We're going to get rid of that. We're going to put a Fibonacci on this thing and see where this thing could be pulling back to, where we can keep an eye out for a bounce. And I'm not a financial advisor. Please do not take financial advice from me. I don't have a license to do that, and giving financial advice is not my game. I read the charts. I've been doing it for about 4 years now. I've been in the crypto industry. I read the charts and I give you my opinions. That's it. Please do not risk your money on anything anybody says on YouTube. Seek a professional's advice or do your own research before you put your hard-earned money into anything. So as far as the pullback goes, I'm looking, usually these things will bounce. You can see here we pulled to the 786 on this, and that's where we got our bounce. Looks like we might be heading there again on the 786. The 4-hour RSI down at the bottom is just about reset. The 1-hour is reset. So I'll show you that right now. And you can see it's at the bottom down there. That's what we want to see for a bounce out of here. So I'm going to keep an eye on this thing the rest of the day. Wednesday is the big Fed meeting, so that's going to be a big day for the market. Hopefully they get lower numbers than they're expecting, and when that happens, you know that we have a big bang in the market here. The dollar, the US dollar is still falling, which is good for crypto prices, but not overall good, I guess, for economy wise. A falling dollar means gas costs more, bread costs more, and then crypto costs more. So you're going to have a rise in price in crypto. But this is a dollar on the daily chart. You can see this massive fall that we're in. We peaked out here in September of 2022, and we've been falling ever since. We had this trend line, and you can see how these things validate. It rode that trend line the whole way up, busted through it, back tested it as resistance, and got rejected off of it. So trend lines are very useful, and that was a daily trend line. You can have trend lines on 15-minute charts, 1-minute charts, 1 hour, 4 hours, 12 hours, whatever you want to put them on, and they're valid until they break, and then it starts a new trend. So I use them all the time. I love them. They right here, like I said, this was a daily trend line, and you can see how validated it was when that dollar broke through and tried to break back up. It got rejected because that trend line was support, and now it's resistance, and it's been falling ever since. So it could come a long ways down, guys. And we'll see how it works out. But thank you so much. Please hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you here every day, and I'll check back in with you guys tomorrow on Filecoin. Have a great day, everybody.